Look, I want to show you can see this is a glass table. So means that there is nothing installed in the table, okay? So, this is the CPU. It's a very powerful CPU. This is the coil. Everything is glass. It's from far distance. You can see it, yes? Needs nothing in the table. Have a look. In this case, in Romania, people are playing with this kind of dice. Let me focus. And to make also some zoom. Tiny dice, Romanian dice. These are the 8mm dice people play Barbooth. Like 6-6, 6-5, 5-5, winning, 1-1, 2-2, 2-1, losing. So, let me make focus again. I want to show you how we drop it on the glass with the remote control, you see? Let me focus. Now, 1-1, long on the glass. The glass is very hard to be able to control the dice, look. 1-1. Let me focus. And you can see it 1-1. Now we make it back. We take the dice. And now we make opposite of 1-1, means winning in Barbooth. So I press B a long time. And you can see 6-5. Let me focus to see this without touching the dice. This is a 6. And this is the 5. The dice are very tiny, of the mini dice, okay, or the baby dice called in America. So, again, we make 6-6 long. One more time, we have 5 and 1. One more time, sorry, I press A, let's press B, means 6-6. 6 and 5 means winning. Remember, that is 0 negative area. So in this 5, it's still coming 5. And this is 6. Okay, you see? This is a 6, it's very hard to focus on the glass. So, these are the tiny dice, but this system, it's working also for the transparent dice. Of course, it's another CPU, another structure for the cord, another type of power and so on. So basically you can play without installing something in the table. This is amazing. One more time, I want to show you long drop. It's very hard to focus on the glass, but I will try it for you. A means small. It's going out. So you see A, 1 dice, it's going. 2 means losing. It is very hard to focus this. One more time. B means winning. I will come with the camera to be able to see the results. Okay. It's very hard to see. Let me put my finger like this to focus. Now you see, 6-6. So this is the best system that you can use it. We don't is starting something.